Have a good day. Good morning, everyone. I'd like to say welcome to the Violence Veterans Ceremony. And I think it's neat that we have something like this for our veterans because they really do deserve it. It's not easy going out and being away from your family and going into the battle. And I'd like to say thank you to them because it's not easy, and I just look up to them. And thank you to those who served and who are still serving, and those who gave the ultimate sacrifice. And I'm looking forward to getting to know all the veterans this coming year during my reign, because these are the people that I'm representing. Because this whole celebration, the reason why we even have a Miss San Carlos pageant or a Veterans Parade or a Veterans Weekend is because of them, because they served our country, and they just I just have a lot of respect for them. And I'd like to say welcome to everyone, and I hope you enjoy your day, and God bless you all. Yeah, thank you.